Welcome back to another episode of Rico Soul Italia Eats. In this episode, we're going to show you how we make our Salsa Verde. In which we use primarily for our authentic, homemade Mexican-style tacos. We'll show you step by step how we made this game-changing Salsa Verde. So without further delay, let's get into our video. First, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our pan. Next, we're going to add 18 tomatillos to our pan. We'll next add a half of an onion. Then we'll add 4 jalapeños to our pan. This is going to be a mild version recipe, so we remove the seeds. If you want it spicier, then don't remove the seeds. You can also use Serranno peppers if you like as well. We'll cook the tomatillos, the jalapeños, and the half onion for about 8 minutes, stirring them occasionally on medium heat. After we see some browning on our veggies, we'll next add our 8 garlic cloves to our pan. Now it's time to add my 8 garlic cloves. We'll cook our garlic cloves until we see a brownish color on them. But in the meantime, we'll add a half a teaspoon of cumin. We're going to use a half a teaspoon of cumin. A tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. You can use a crushed up chicken bouillon as a substitute like I'm doing here. We'll also add 1 tablespoon of Mexican oregano. We're going to need a tablespoon of Mexican oregano. We'll give it a quick stir and we'll cook the veggies for about 3 more minutes. We'll let our veggies cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, then we'll add them to our blender. Our Salsa Verde mix is ready for our blender. Our veggies have cooled. Now it's time to start adding them to our blender. Our cooked veggies have been added to our blender. Now we'll add our 1 bunch of cilantro. Next, we'll add a half a cup of water to our blender. Feel free to add a few pinches of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper at this time. We'll put our lid on now. Now it's time to start blending our ingredients. Blended our ingredients for 3.5 to 4 minutes on high to achieve the consistency that we wanted. Here's the end results. It's right where we want it. The consistency is perfect. Here's our bottle of Salsa Verde. One of our favorite things to pair our homemade salsa verde with is no doubt our homemade authentic style Mexican carnita tacos, as well as our carne asada tacos, our homemade Chipotle Mexican bowls, and much, much more.
I'm going to give it a little squeeze of lime, and we're going to go in our first bite. Cheers. Everything is just elevated. With the cilantro, the onions, my homemade pernil, my homemade salsa verde. Everything is just popping. Everything is just popping. Flavors just bursting all in your mouth. Folks, this should be illegal. Did you hear me? It should be illegal. These flavors, these combinations, cilantro, onions, my homemade salsa verde, and my favorite to the max, picnic shoulder, pernil, pork shoulder, whatever you want to call it. The flavors are just unmatched.
That's gonna wrap up our video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Comments are encouraged, and thanks for watching. But most importantly, don't forget to bon appetit, peoples, okay? To bon appetit.